This is The Insight. Hello everyone. A simple word with love creates a great impact to someone's life. Ang pagbibigay ng akmang kasagutan sa pamamagitan ng pagsambit ng tamang salita sa maingat na pamamaraan ay isang kahusayan. Yes, lalong-lalo na sa napapanahong sitwasyon. Ang positibong salita ay nagre-resulta ng positibong pananaw sa buhay. Nakapagpapalakas ito ng loob, nakapagdudulot ito ng saya, nakapagpapagaan ng sitwasyon, at nakapaghahatid ng pag-asa. In the book of Proverbs 15 verse 23, it says there that a person finds joy in giving an apt reply, and how good is a timely word. I remember the time na dumating sa point ng buhay ko na tila ba wala na akong sense of direction. I spent 3 years studying sa course na parang hindi na ako sigurado. And gusto ko nang lumipat noon, gusto ko na mag-shift. Dahil architecture yung nasa puso ko. And when I'm about to shift na, sabi nila, sayang naman, malapit na, graduate ka na. That word is nag-iwan sa akin ng parang pagdududa sa sarili ko. Nag-aalangan ako. It creates doubt in my heart. But thank to God sa mga buhay ng mga kaibigan na nagsabi, kung yan ang nasa puso mo, kung yan ang gusto mo, then go. Hindi nila alam na that those simple words na sinabi nila, nagkaroon ako ng confidence, nagkaroon ako ng excitement. I feel supported sa mga gusto ko. Pero parang something na hindi pa rin buo yung decision ko. May hinahanap pa rin ako, may kulang. And that time I turn to God. I seek Him intentionally and I surrender to Him everything. At sa oras ding yon, I got an answer. I got a confirmation from Him. And in my heart, that word, go, I know it's God. To cut the story short, I am here right now. By His grace and His will, still, I remain standing at nagpapatuloy. And yes, it is because of His grace. It is because of His mercy and faithfulness. Minsan talaga may hinahanap tayong salita o sagot na gusto nating mapakinggan galing sa iba. At alam kong ganun din sila sa atin. Meron silang mga inaasahang marinig na galing sa atin. And I realize that not all words we say, we think it matters, doesn't really matter. Sometimes we think that it is well said, but the listener doesn't take it well. Magsalita tayo ng may pag-iingat at may pagmahal. At sikapin natin na ipahatid ang mga sagot sa laging maayos na pamamaraan. God has an answer. Timely as always yan. But also, nagsasalita din siya through other people to deliver His word to someone. Mga salitang nagbibigay ng tunay na kagalakan at pumupuno sa bawat patlang sa ating mga isipan. Now, God is waiting for you to lend your ear to His words, and He wants you to use His words as a reply to relieve someone's situation. And I just want to tell you something. This is what the Lord put in my heart. I believe in you. You can do it. Yes, you can. Do it. I'm Omar, and this is my insight. Thank you for watching tonight's episode of The Insight. Pwede kayong magkaroon ng mugs gaya nito. Just like, share, and comment your takeaway for tonight's episode. Bye!